the same way, I can also, if I have like a Illustrator design, I can project my lines onto the mesh and then remap from the mesh down to the 3D. So if I have lines here, let me reset this and use an interp curve. I'm gonna go persistent mesh in this mesh and pick two things. Here I have these line on the mesh. So what I want to do is I want to remap it from 3D to the 2D. And of course, some weird thing happened because it's not perfectly on the mesh. So yeah, but I can work. Checked. There it is now. I've projected it onto the mesh, and I can remap it from 2D to 3D. There we are. Now I have my line that was on the mesh, on the 3D mesh. So if I project it, for example, from Illustrator design, I project it onto the last, then I can remap it in 2D and have lines that I can work with.